Well, hello folks, how y'all are? So last weekend, I've been waiting for a good weekend to get out there, go fishing, and here in Texas we've been having a lot of wind, rain, stuff like that, and I did manage to get out, but I was in a bit of a situation when I went to download. So being new to YouTube, being new to working with video and such, I don't know if it was operator error or just a bad memory card, but anyways, I did take the footage that I got and put it together in this video right here, so I hope you enjoy. So tide today is started out kind of a median tide, and then it's gradually going to come in till about 2 or 3, I think, and then start going back out. So incoming tide in this spot right here is normally pretty good, but I don't know. We'll see. Getting hit right there. I think there's just a bunch of croaker. They didn't get it. Send it back out. This area that I'm fishing, you got a reef here. I don't know if you can see them posts right there. You got another one down over there. It's like a little horseshoe type reef. I'm fishing on the upwind side of it. Had some luck here in the past. On a windy day like this, it's not too bad of a spot. Reeling this one in. You got probably the smallest speckled trout I've ever caught. Pretty fish. Oh. Slimy bugger. He swam off good. Looky here. Got me a little stone crab. Grab him by them back legs. Get it off of him. There we go. Nice. Be long, this dude will be ready to eat. So something I like to do, you get a shrimp that's real soft. I'll take and hook him down through the top. Get it in there. Down through the top, and then hook it back through the tail. And on them thin shell shrimp, it tends to keep them on there better. We got something here. He ain't happy, I can tell you that. Oh no. Good sized croaker. Crab bait. Been out here about an hour. Of course, we've been catching the croaker, but that wind's starting to pick up. It's starting to white cap all around me now. So we may head in and see if we can get somewhere out of the wind and maybe get on some good fish. At the new spot. Second cast. Got something. Black drum. It's a better fish. That one wasn't but about 12 inches, so he went back with his friends. It's the only thing about this area. People come flying through here, they see you fishing, they just keep on going. Another little puppy drum. Here we go. Better fish. Well, maybe not. Well, puppy. Plenty of puppies out here today. Found a hot dog with legs in the bait box to see if it brings us anything bigger. Something tapping. Come on, take it. They happen. Well, throw the other half back. Tap, tap. Big, whatever it is. Well, there you go. This has got to be the smallest red I have caught. Wow. See the spot on him? Baby red. Some gun almost hit me. That's a better fish. Maybe not. That little puppy drum might make 13, but I think he's gonna make 14. Still not bad. That's why they call it fishing and not catching. That wind is just getting worse and worse. Fishing on credit now. Fishing on credit. Oh. thing just almost instant. Got a better fish here. He's got to pull a little drag. Broke me off. Well, how about that, folks? I think I said it in the video, that's why they call it fishing and not catching. But where I did miss some footage, I did manage to bring home one 14.5-inch black drum. And then I caught a 16-inch red in that same spot there at the end. And then I had another fish break me off on some oysters. But hey, bad day fishing still better than a good day at work, right? So, but I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks to those that have subscribed so far. I really appreciate that, and hopefully I'll get to get out next weekend as Father's Day weekend, and hopefully we'll get out there and be able to get on some fish and maybe do some catch and cooks and stuff. So, thanks again. Say hello to your mama now.